Hello learners, welcome to Atya Studies. In previous lecture, we have learned how to print even elements from 1D array. So today, actually, I hope you understand the previous lecture as well. So today, I am going to explain how to print the sum of the array, sum of the elements of that array. So let's get into the video. So I'll explain the scenario first. Like if you have an array like 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, if you have array length of 5 and the elements are 1 2 3 4 5, so obviously one is at 0th index, right? AR of 0, that is equal to 1. Okay, so same like if you take the values with index names. So here at first index we have the value 2. At second index the value is 3. At third index value is 4, and fourth index value is 5. Okay. Uh, so the index basically starts from 0, right? So at 0th index 1, at first position it is 2, at second position the 3 value will be stored, at third position 4 will be stored, and at fourth position 5 will be stored, right? So basically I want to get sum of the whole array. So let's calculate what will be the sum. 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 4 is 15, right? So I need to get 15 as an output. Okay, that is my scenario here. So let's get into the program. So you know how to get how to insert the values into the array and how to print the whole array, and we have seen the how to print even elements from that array as well. So today we need to print the sum of the array. Okay, so to take user input we need scanner class, right? So scanner, let's create object for scanner class. Okay, scanner should be imported over here. Right, scanner is imported. First I'll take the length. Okay, so before going to the length, a user should understand what should to give here, right? So enter length of array, length of an array. Okay, then the length should be inserted over here. So create array object. Okay, so it is a 1D array, so int array, the name object name is arr, new int array of size whatever length you have mentioned, you have received from the input, it should be the length of the array. Okay, so I have array is created. Okay, now I want to insert the elements. So here I need to system dot out dot println enter array elements. Okay, so I'm entering the values by iterating each and every element, and I will store each and every element in its respective index. Okay, for int I is equal to 0. Okay, index should be start from 0. I length, the condition should be true up to the length, array length. Okay, so that's why I'm giving the condition here, I less than arr dot length. Okay, I plus plus. So here I need to store elements which was given over from we take from the user. It should be stored over here. Okay, okay, array elements are also stored over here. So now I need to print the sum of the array, right? So I am iterating the loop again. Int I is equal to 0, I less than arr dot length, I plus plus. So here I will take one variable, okay, to store sum. Int sum is equal to 0. Initially it will be 0. Here what I will do, sum is equal to sum, I will add with arr of I. I'll explain the scenario, the whole code again. So after completion of this loop, I will print the sum. Okay. So sum is sum. Okay. Okay. First I'll execute this program. Okay. Let's enter the length of an array. It is 5. Okay. So enter array elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So sum is 5. We got an output, right? So how this for loop is giving the sum? So first my I value, I will calculate I value and sum value. Okay, so I value here is 0 and sum value is also here 0. Okay, so what I am doing, yes, it is the length, array length I 0 is less than the array length, condition is true, it will enter into the loop. Then here what will happen, sum is equal to 0 plus, okay, what is the array value, array at ith, I mean to say array at 0th position, that is 1, right? So 0 plus 1, so I will get 1. So sum value is 1 initially. Okay, then I is equal to, it will increase I value, right? So now I value becomes 1. So my sum, I have already sum is equal to 1, right? Okay, so here, yes, I value is 1. 1 is length less than the length 5. So here sum 1, right? So 1 plus array of I. What is I value now? 1, right? So ARR of 1 is 2. Okay, then I will get the output 3. Okay, now I at second index. At second index, sum is equal to, I have the sum value already 3. Okay, so the 3 here, the 3 is added to, so here the 3 is added to array of second index value. Array of second index value is 3, right? So 3. So I will get output 6. Okay, now I value is increased again. So I becomes 3. I have some value, total sum value is 6. Okay, so that 6 should be added with ARR of now third position value. What is third position value? 4. Okay, 6 plus 4. then 10. Okay, I is equal to, now I is increased, though I becomes 4. 4 less than 5, it is true, then I value is 4. My sum value, I have some value already 10, right? Okay, so that 10 is added to high fourth index value 5. So I will get 15 as an output. Okay, now I value is increased to 5. So 5 is less than arr dot length is also 5, so the condition will be false. So it will come out from the loop. Then what is some value is stored, sum is equal to 50. Okay, so this is the program. I hope you understand this program. If you have any doubts, please let me know. And yeah, thank you for watching the video.